Great, so now you did all the keywords correctly. You have keywords in your title, in your subtitle, in your description, and in your backend keywords. And what is Amazon going to do? Amazon is going to take all those keywords, let's say it's around 10 to 15 different search terms or keywords that Amazon finds in your book listing, and it's going to start showing your book for these search terms. So let's say it's an animal encyclopedia for kids. It might find 10 to 15 different ones: educational animal encyclopedia for kids, animal encyclopedia for kids, animal book for kids, and all the other ones. It's going to find the 10 to 15 search terms, and in month 1, Amazon will start showing your book for these search terms. And what Amazon is waiting for your book to do is to start making sales, because obviously you gave Amazon only relevant search terms. So it's going to show it in front of relevant people and they're going to buy it. Well, what happens when they start buying? Amazon's going to say, oh, this book is doing pretty good and it's only indexing for these keywords. Let's expand the indexing. So Amazon is going to give you in month 2 even more indexing. You're still going to show up for your original indexed keywords, but Amazon's going to give you some extra keywords here. So you might be indexed for 40 keywords or 40 search terms in month 2. So in month 2, not only are you indexing for the keywords that you originally put, but because you're making sales and because you're selling for these keywords, Amazon knows who to show you in front of and what to show your book for. So it knows what are the keywords related to the ones that you gave it in month 1 you can make sales for. So it's going to show you for even more keywords. And guess what happens? You start making more sales. So what happens in month 3? Well, this is going to expand even bigger. And you're going to be here. These are your original keywords, and these are the brand new ones that Amazon gives you. And you can start indexing for 100 or 150 keywords or search terms. And they're all related to your book, because Amazon is getting data on what your book is selling for, and it knows where to place you to get even more sales. But Amazon won't be able to give you this in month 3 if you don't give it the correct keywords in month 1, which is why it's so important that all your keywords are 100% highly relevant. Now, after month 3, you've already built everything. The book will just work for you. You won't have to worry about keywords anymore, because it's a big snowball effect. Amazon's going to take away some keywords and it might add new keywords. Amazon is smart. It knows what it's doing, and it will give you what you need to succeed, as long as you give it what it needs to succeed in month 1, which is highly relevant search terms. And you do that by putting the keywords in your description, in your title and subtitle, and your backend keywords.